Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Welcome back to the channel. So we got a new, I wouldn't call it a toy, but new addition, I guess, that we can use camping. We can use in the mini shop here. It's a diesel heater. First time having one, so we're gonna unbox it here, see what it all looks like. Let you see it. So this one, newer versions now I see this year coming. It's got like Bluetooth or something, so I can like control it through my phone. Is nice because I think you can be like anywhere on the planet, maybe. I don't know. But I know it's Bluetooth through your phone. It does come with the remote. And it also comes with the adapter so you can run it off 110 so I can just plug it in my shop. I don't have to have the 12 volts, but it'll run 12 volt or 110. So that's pretty sweet. And it's just small. Yeah, we'll open it up. You'll see here. So let's get into it. Well, we open it up. Just look, you can kind of see the top of it there. It's good and packed in there really good with the foam. The owner's user's manual. The Sunster 2.0 Smart Heater user manual. I'll look that up. I will take this out of the box again. There's that. Pull the foam off. So you guys can see that there. Yeah. This is where I assume you hook your power up. The digital screen. There's the one remote. You got some more parts here in the box. Here's the other box. Alright. This is assuming that would be the exhaust port for this. I wasn't sure on this. This almost looks like it has the fresh air intake. I don't know how that works. Usually the fresh air intake's separate. Yeah, let's open this other box up here and see what we got for parts. We got in here. Like a little sticker on the side. So that's just your duct work. From that to wherever you want. You got a little tiny muffler. 2 self-tapping screws, it looks like. The flexible, well, it's not very flexible, but that's the exhaust pipe. We can bend it to wherever we want it. Looks like maybe 4 little feet for mounting it. 12 volt wire, positive, negative. So that would go to the back of this and then to your power supply in my truck. Well, now. Oh yeah, I still got one more box. Still have this box. I thought we were missing something. It's just clamps and stuff for the hoses and the exhaust. This box should have the power adapter for the 110. And it does. There's the 110. Open it straight up. Same thing. So these two wires, positive, negative, go on the back. Knife away here. Turn this around, back. So basically these will hook on there. Red on the red, black on the black. Plug it in and it should turn on. Fuel goes in there. Yeah, cool little sticker on the wildlife. Shows a tent. See a little sticker? Wish there was some with it. Kind of cool sticker. What I'm not sure of here, usually there's a separate air intake, but this has like, I don't know if I can show you. This is the air intake. You can see that. Usually this would go outside or whatever and draw fresh air in. This has like some type of box on it. Anyway, that's good. We'll keep an eye on that. Fuel line in there. This is obviously the exhaust. Yeah, let's just put the power on it, turn it on. We're not going to fuel it up right now, but let's just put the power to it and see what it does. We'll spin this around here. Pretty slick though. Comes with all the connectors already on everything. That makes everything friggin' easy. I was wanting to get one of these for a while. I think we have my camera in a bad spot. The whole time I'm talking, you're seeing the back of my head. But I wasn't sure if I wanted to get like a unit like this, like an all-in-one unit, so you could just carry it around, or you can get them separate. I went with this because, like I say, I can carry this into my shed here, plug it in, especially with the 110, simple. Use it in here, and then if I'm going camping, you can just take it there. I think I made the right choice. I'm going to turn this around, plug it in, and we'll just see what happens here. Plugged in. Have a clue. Oh, showing power there. I don't know if you guys can see any of that. That like moves. It's on and off. On and off on that. Yeah. So anyway, like I say, I'm not going to fire it up just yet. I got to get some diesel fuel, but maybe that'll be another video. We'll go through the manual. I don't know if there's any steps you got to take to prime it or anything for the first go, but yeah, anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I'm sure we'll have another video of it up and running. Yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And yeah, we'll definitely update this video or do another video here soon with it running and test it and see how it all works. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.